Hi everybody! Welcome to Piethon Coders. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make a spirit animal quiz part 2. So in this tutorial, I'm not actually going to be doing any coding. I'm just going to explain to you a little bit about how the logic for this program is going to work and how we're going to determine the user spirit animal. So, I chose to have 6 different options for spirit animals, which are a Piethon, a fox, a rabbit, a otter, a pig, and a panda. So for each of the questions I asked my user, I chose to have 6 different answers. So in the first one I have read a book, watch a movie, cook or bake something delicious, eat something delicious, do a craft, and watch videos on YouTube. So keep in mind that when you're writing your multiple choice answer options, each answer should correlate to a specific animal. So if you decide that you want to have only 3 options for spirit animals, then you're going to only have 3 answer options. If you decide you want 10 options for spirit animals, you're going to have 10 different answers. So I've just randomly correlated each one. So I decided that, for example, reading a book is something that a rabbit would do. So each one I'm just going to correlate to one animal. And each time a user answers a question, we're going to add a point to that answer's corresponding animal. So if the user answers A, we're going to add a point to rabbit. And then in the end, we're going to tally the points to determine the winning animal. So basically in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually add this to your code. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. If you have any ideas for new videos or any questions, write them in the comments below, and I will try my best to address them. Happy programming!